Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, All Things GarageBand. I'm Jeremy Haas. Today I'm going to show you guys how to use editing to edit your guitar and bass tracks to get them to line up with each other so they're just a little bit more tight, you know? Just sounds better that way. So without further ado, let's get started. Yeah. I could feel it, you know. Alright guys, so here we are in GarageBand, and this is a song I've been working on for a little while now. And so what I've got here is I've got a drummer track, I've got two guitar tracks left and right, separate performances, I've got a bass track, okay? Real basic. So I've noticed right now that my bass, as you can see, is a little ahead than the guitar tracks. And so there's my snare hit and my guitar's hit there, but my bass is a little ahead, and it's also ahead at the kick. It's ahead all the way down to about right here, we'll say. Okay, this is still, let me see, it might go a little farther than that. Maybe I can fix it somewhere else. Actually, we'll go, since it's all the way ahead, it's all the way ahead to about here. So what I want to do is I want to actually, instead of fixing each part, I just want to like pull just this part of the track back a little bit, okay? So the best way to do this is to go ahead and we're gonna split our track head right here. It's a good spot. You can either right click and go down to split playhead, or you can hit Command T on your keyboard. Now we'll split that. See that split right there, and then what we're gonna want to do is we're gonna go down where it starts to line up again and do the same thing right here, and right click or Command T on your keyboard will do the same thing. Okay, so now we've done that. What I'm going to do is I'm going to grab this side of the region and pull it back just a little bit, and we're going to pull this back. Line it up a little bit more, not too much. Let's make sure that's lined up. Okay, cool. Whoops. Okay, close enough. I think as close as we're going to get it. Okay. And so the reason you want to cut right before the pick attack happens again, and right where the wavelength's ending, okay? So it's so you won't get some weird blip there. Sometimes there's going to be a click, so you want to get it as tight as possible. You want to tighten these up as much as possible, and sometimes there's always going to be somewhat of a click there because there's no fade tool or crossfade like there is in Logic Pro, which is GarageBand's paid version. But you can get it pretty close, and in the context of the mix, you're not going to hear it anyways. But let me so let's first just solo this out and see what these both sound like, these two different spots we just did. Okay. Okay, so there's a little click there, but I mean, in the context of the mix, you're not going to tell if that's the clank or the click, okay? But we can try a little bit more. I think I've tried this before, and there's always a click at this area, actually, but let's try it. Okay, it's acceptable for me, okay? Let's see about the other side, because I'm going to show you in the context. You're not going to even notice this, so. Okay, there's a click there. Whoops. Okay, there is a click here, so let's spread this out a little bit more. Oh, it's right on one of the. I see what's going on here. Let's pull it right there. Now there should be no click. Nothing. Cool. That's just when I'm starting it. It does that. Cool. That's a good one. So let's zoom in a little bit more and see if we can. I don't think we're going to be able to do it with this one, and they are kind of separated a little bit there, so that's going to be a problem. Okay, we might be able to fix this actually. Cool. That's as close as I'm going to get those. Let's check it out now. A little bit better. Let's try one more time. I need it. I'm starting it way too soon, you guys. My bad. Let's do this. I barely heard it. And like I said, in context of mix, you're not going to... Yeah, sounds like my clink and my bass almost. Anyway, so check this out. You're not going to even notice it. Yeah, we're good. See? Yep. So in the context of the mix, you're not going to notice it. And I rather have my tracks lined up, so it makes things a lot tighter. So anyways, you can do this with any audio. I do it with guitars all the time, bass, vocals, that kind of stuff. So alright guys, please leave some comments. I'd love to hear what you guys think. If you enjoyed this video, please smash that like button, please subscribe. I'm Jeremy Haas. I'll see you guys on the flip side. Don't do anything I wouldn't do that leaves it wide open. See you guys.